In this video, we're going to show you how to view and manage version history in Google Docs. Let's get started. Viewing the version history of a Google Docs document is relatively simple. Here's how to do it. Visit the Google Docs site in a web browser. Sign in with your Google account details and open the document wherein you want to see the version history. Click the File menu at the top left corner, select Version History from the context menu, and choose See Version History from the submenu. Alternatively, if you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, you can press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-H on a Windows device or Command-Option-Shift-H on macOS devices to access the version history of a document quickly in Google Docs. In the Version History panel on your right, you will see various versions of your document, along with the date, time, and author name. You can click on an older version to preview it. Google Docs will display the differences between the current and older versions as highlighted and strike-through text. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.